Hello, welcome back to my channel Hardly Taslim. I hope you have watched my other videos of the Meguiars car wash test using Supplies Guards foam lens and Karcher 2.360. In this video, I will try Meguiars Detailer Line Shampoo Plus. It has long-lasting suds, rich lubricating formula, and nice smell. The original dilution ratio is 128:1. For this test, I will try to use 1:10 dilution ratio, so it will be 600 ml of water and 60 ml of Shampoo Plus. Stir it well so you will have a very even dilution of the car wash before you shoot it with a power washer. You can use the snow foaming technique to a dry vehicle or even a wet vehicle. Because it's not too dirty, I'll just spray the foam directly to the vehicle. As you can see, the foam is quite flat, not too foamy like NXT. It's quite even. It looks like gold class car washes. And when I wash with this shampoo, it's very slick. And when it's finished, it's really easy to dry the vehicle and leave the car looks like if you're using gold dust actually. I hope you like this video. Please wait for my other videos using other car washes. See you.